Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to be continuing on with our Stock Screener Ameritrade API. So this is part 11. We're going to be looking at two ways to view large data frames. So if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do. We do micro videos, one video upon another, and we build upon it. So all right, so I'm going to show you one way I like to do it so we can see the column names, and then I will show you another way that you guys will probably like because you won't need to remember the column names, but I have a very short-term memory and I like to be reminded. So all right, so we're going to make a function, and basically it's going to be like a loop. Oops. Sorry, I've been a little off today, so I can already feel that the typing is going to go. So basically, we're going to kind of do looping through, but we're going to change this as the size of however large you have your little window right here. So we're going to go our start equals 0. Then stop is basically going to be the size. Then while stop, less than length of our df peg. Then I'm also going to show you how to sort in place. We've already done sorting by columns, but I'm going to show you in place and how it's going to give you maybe a little bit of what's going to look like an error, but it's not. Alright, then print df peg. Then we're going to go start, and then stop, close this out. Then start becomes stop, and stop is incremented by size. And we could have changed this to, and I misspelled view. And I haven't said this in a while, but this is not a spelling channel. We could have used start and only done that once, but I've already committed to the stop. So df peg, and then one more time, start, stop, close, and close. So all right, let's run this, and it has another W. I apologize, everybody. Like I said, been a little off today. So all right, as we're going through this, you can see, wrong one. There we go. They are starting to build, and we're building but yes, if you are just joining, if this is your first video of the API, there are 10 previous, or no, today's 10. Today's 10, and well, now I want to check. Today's 11. And we're now touching, is it already done? It's already done. So now we have our results, which is everything, all 5288. Then our skimmed down, our sliced with all our conditions. Now it's, today it's 150. So right now, when you type this in, you only have view. Let's see if 40 fit here. All right. Oh, okay. So it looks like, so the reason why I like this is I could have made it a little bit smaller. Is the reason why I'm having this done in groups is so because I made the mistake one time where I go, okay, that was the peg, but right now this is not sorted. Ooh, we didn't sort it yet. So let's sort it. So we do df peg. Then we're sorting by, this is what we're going to sort. This is the method, sort value. Then we're going to sort it by in ascending order by peg. I want to know the lowest peg. Now you're going to see this and it's going to look like it's going to throw an error. Oops. It's values. I am so sorry, everybody, with all this wonderful typing. So now I have it in ascending order. And then, so now you don't have to rerun. The reason why I'm making a function out of this is you can do this so you don't have to run this script. You can toy with this, and then now you can go and view dfpeg, or if you wanted to do this and you change your data frames, you can add that. So this is why I like this. So let's change this to 35. And then now it fits right here, so I only have to remember just a little bit, then I have my reminder of my columns and I come through. Now, for those of you who have exceptional memories and do not need that reminder, there is a way. So we have, as we have here, we imported pandas as PD. So there is a function, PD dot, let's remember, is it dot options? Yeah, dot options. I wanted to make sure I type this right. Dot set option. Then we're going to be displaying all the rows. So display dot max underscore rows. So we want as many. So basically this is kind of arbitrary. You could set this to 10,000, but we know there's only 150. So I'm going to type in 200. So boom. So now I'm saying every data frame that I call right now, print them 200 at a time. All right. And then move on as a head and a tail. So this is going to encapsulate all of them. And our data frame is, yeah, df.peg. So now I have all 150 at one time without any of the columns being reprinted. So there we go, guys. Two separate ways to view very large data frames. So thank you guys very, very much. Please make sure you're staying tuned till right at the end to watch these videos right here, but please drop any comments, questions, video requests, and probably most important these days on this channel is make sure you're joining. If you're not sure where you are in Python, if you need a lot of help, if you feel alone, if you're just don't know where to go, make sure you're clicking down below and joining over on Discord. If you're just here grabbing a little bit of information, great. You feel like you can just keep moving on your own, awesome. But the point of that server is just so you're not in this by yourself. So there we go, guys. Thanks as always. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.